Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Veeva Vault, a cloud-based content and data management platform that's widely used in a regulated industry like pharmaceuticals and life sciences. If you're new to Veeva Vault or want to understand how it helps team manage documents and data securely, this beginner's guide will walk you through the essentials in 2025. Start by logging into your Veeva Vault account. The dashboard gives you an overview of your active projects, documents, and tasks. One of the core features is document management. You can upload, review, and approve files while maintaining strict version control and audit trails, which is crucial for compliances. Viva Vault also allows to get you gradual permissions, so only authorized users can access sensitive data. Collaboration happens seamlessly through annotation and comments directly on documents, helping teams stay aligned without endless emails. Another powerful aspect is automated workflows. You can create review and approval processes that keep projects moving on schedule while meeting regulatory requirements. Reporting and analytics in Viva Vault gives you insight into document status, users' activity, and project progress, making it easier to identify bottlenecks and keep everything on the track. Whether you're managing clinical trials, regulatory submission, or quality documentation, Viva Vault in 2025 offers a secure, streamlined way to handle complex content and data management needs. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to get started with Viva Vault, be sure to like this video, leave any of your questions in the below, and subscribe for more business tech guides and tutorials. Catch you in the next video.